Looking for a reliable cutter that makes perfect cookies and biscuits every time? The Ateco 3.5-inch round stainless steel cutter is designed to give you professional quality results without the hassle. Its 3.5-inch diameter and plain edge make it ideal for a variety of baking tasks, from cutting thick cathead biscuits to shaping cookies with ease. What sets this cutter apart is its stainless steel construction. It's sturdy enough to handle dough up to 2 inches thick without bending or losing shape. Plus, the smooth surface means dough doesn't stick, so there's no need to dust it with flour constantly. This saves you time and keeps your workspace cleaner. Bakers from all over the U.S., including diner owners in Alabama, have praised its durability and consistent performance after months of daily use. Ateco's commitment to quality doesn't stop with cutters. Their rolling pins, made from solid maple in Canada, offer the perfect weight and smooth rotation to roll out even the toughest doughs. Whether you prefer the 19 inches dowel style, the 20 inches French pin, or a professional pin with ball-bearing handles, you get control and precision every time. And for decorating, Ateco's stainless steel or plastic decorating tubes and sets pair perfectly with their pastry bags and turntables, making intricate designs effortless, even without a flour nail, thanks to their Russian tips. If you bake regularly and want tools that stand up to the challenge, the Ateco 3.5-inch round stainless steel cutter is worth a look. It's not just about cutting dough, it's about what you get: cleaner cuts, less sticking, and a tool that stays like new even after months of use. Whether you're a professional or a passionate home baker, this cutter helps you create bakery quality results every time. Ready to upgrade your baking toolkit? Try the Ateco 3.5-inch round stainless steel cutter when you're ready to take your cookies and biscuits to the next level. Durable, precise, and easy to use, this cutter delivers the consistency you need to impress every time you bake.